But don't make this a Hindu-Muslim issue. If you really want to reform something for Muslim women, reform their personal laws. But you will not do that. And please answer me on the Special Marriage Act, under which I got married and respected Sudhanshu ji was there for my marriage. It's a one law, one country, one civil law.
Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please respond to Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla.
First thing I would like to, the example which Tehseen has given, if he is saying, I do not know from where he is having that data that those who are married 10 years of age of girls, they are 80% Hindus. And even if, sir, if any Hindu marriages a 10 years old girl, he is liable to be put in jail, but not the Muslim, because they are having the authority to marry even a 9-year-old girl. So that's what I am trying to say. What you are projecting, sir, it means the founding fathers of the nation in the Constituent Assembly, like Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, were wrong, what you are trying to say. And the supreme fundamental duties of the Constitution, which says that it shall implement, whether there is no scope that it should be implemented or not, should not, shall implement, was wrong. At least 5 or 6 times Supreme Court has said, around a dozen times the various high courts had said they were wrong. And one more thing I would like to ask, what the Prime Minister has said. आप ही लोग तो नारा लगाते थे ना, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई आपस में हैं भाई भाई. अब 4 भाई हो घर में, कह नहीं जी इनहेरिटेंस में हम एक को इस हिसाब से डील करेंगे, दूसरे को इस हिसाब से डील करेंगे और तीसरे को इस हिसाब से डील करेंगे, then obviously there will be a problem. And now I want to ask one thing. Okay, you want to have a special law. Then where you are not having a special law in totality? Why the religious feelings are not hurt in having the common criminal law? Then they should have an utmost adherence to their religious belief कि चोरी करने पे हाथ कटवाएं और शराब पीते हुए पकड़े जाने पे 100 कोड़े लगवाए जाएं, और अगर कोई गलत काम करते पकड़े जाएं तो पत्थर भी मारे जाएं. No, no, we do not want. We want that criminal law. Our religious feeling never doesn't hurt. It's only hurts in civil law. Okay? If it hurts in civil law, then it is a civil matter to get interest from the bank. And to the best of my knowledge, in Islam, getting an interest is illegal. Then all of them should say that we will return back all the interest of the bank because that is automatically gets credited in the account. No, no, that we can accept. So I think the sheer hypocrisy is this, that in the name of my religious belief, first, I am not ready to accept it in the criminal law. Second, in the civil also, I want to have just a part of this by using which I can suppress the women, I can suppress the lower caste in the Muslims or the pasmanda. तो इसलिए हम ये कहना चाहते हैं, अगर ये बताइए शादी ब्याह की एज एक हो जाए, बाकी आपका जो कस्टम है करिए, no problem about that. Whatever custom you want to have, you can have. And second thing, if there is a one rule for one wife and one husband for everybody, what's the problem in it? And the inheritance should be equal. Then फिर आप वो सप्तपदी से शादी करिए या मौलवी से निकाह पढ़वा के शादी करिए. Everywhere you we can have whatever the authority from tribals. And नाविका जी, कभी-कभी मुझे बड़ा आश्चर्य होता है when they used to take an alibi of the tribals. Those who used to say even today कि हमने 800 साल इस देश पे हुकूमत की. Those who used to say कि हम तो जिल्ले इलाही थे, हम तो शहंशाह आलम थे, हम तो बादशाह आलमगीर थे, हम तो सुल्तान आलम हुजूर नवाब थे. Now I want to say that if the tribals are having this, then I should have this particular thing. I think this is trying to have a fig leaf cover for the gross misconduct. And one more thing I would like to say. Before 1939, it was a device by British government to divide and rule. And if somebody is having problem, I refer 23rd of November 1948, Baba Sahib Ambedkar in the Constituent Assembly has said that I am surprised that why they want a separate law for separate religions. Even he has quoted, after 1937 election, in the Pakistan today, northwest frontier province, all were having the common law. They were not having the Muslim law. And it was devised by Britishers to divide and rule. But still those who are having the hangover of the British colonial legacy still want to carry away the divide and rule policy. And that's why I can say a peculiar case in the entire world in democracy. The world common civil code is communal and a special status is secular.